NoSQL Database or not only SQL. NoSQL or not only SQL, database siya pero non-relational database designed para i-handle itong mga large volumes of data nga dili suited para sa traditional relational databases. Well, anyway, ang NoSQL databases are typically more on flexible, scalable, and performance para sa mga specific use cases. The difference between SQL and NoSQL kay nagrepresent na sila duha og fundamentally different approaches para sa data storage o sa management. Then, ang key difference jud ani nila kay ang ilahang data models, schemas, scalability o ang ilahang suitability para silang various application. Ang pagpili dun sa SQL o not only SQL database kay very critical dun siya sa mga developers, data engineers o sa mga organizations to looking ma-handle jud ilang large datasets effectively. Pero kani nga database types na sila mga strengths, mga weaknesses para jud masabtan ang key differences para pod makatabang sa pag-inform sa mga decisions para based on our project's needs.
Topic, the difference between SQL and NoSQL. First, we are talking about the background. We have four types of background. First is the type. Type means SQL's database are primarily called relational database or DMDMS, whereas NoSQL database are primarily called non-relational or distributed database. So, ang SQL is nagkakuha siya og relational database because na siya yung columns di nakalink into sa related na kuan pag-distribute. And then next is the language. Language SQL database define and manipulate database structured query language or SQL. So kaning language is mo ning ginagamit ato sa SQL or kanang language such as Java, Python. So kailangan nato na because mo na ang ginagamit ato na language. They more than widely used optional available, which makes it safe choice. So, more than safe is the scalability. In almost all situations, SQL's database are vertically scalable. So, ang SQL is scale. This means that you can increase the load for a single server by increasing things like RAM or CPU or SSD. So, pasabot sa scalable o ma-adjust ang gamit. Di na ikaupat na po tayo ginatawag na structure. So, kung wala structure, dita kayo ng graphs, when you column stores o ang document base, dili ta kayo mo ana kung wala structures. So, next, key followed. So, ang property followed, ang nasunod niya is the ACID properties or the automatic consistency, isolation, and durability, whereas the NoSQL database follows the Brewer's or CAP theorem or the consistency, available, and partition tolerance. So, nagagamit siya of ACID. So, which means is kani siya nakuha na siya durability. So number 6, support. Great support is available for all the SQL database. From the vendors, also a lot of independent consultants are there who can help you with SQL database for very large-scale deployments, but for some NoSQL database, you still have to relay community support. So, ang support niya sa SQL database is mga vendors, independent consultants, or isa kung sa na makahelp sa SQL para sa very large scale deployments. But the non-SQL is nag-relation support sa community. So, community sa sulod sa kuan yun. Ibale barangay, anak.
SQL versus NoSQL, focusing on which faster and when to choose each one. First, SQL versus NoSQL. Which is faster? There is no absolute winner in terms of speed. It depends on the situation. SQL databases are usually faster for complex queries, especially when data is structured and you need joins, relationships, or transactions. Examples of SQL databases include MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQL Server. On the other hand, NoSQL databases tend to be faster when working with very large amounts of data, especially if that data doesn't follow a strict structure. Example of NoSQL databases include MongoDB, Redis, and Cassandra. To summarize, SQL is faster for structured data and complex operations. Meanwhile, NoSQL is faster for huge datasets, simple lookups, and high read or write workloads.